In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn one of your existing videos into a YouTube short. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once it's open, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account page where you can access your entire video library. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Your Videos. Here, you'll see a list of all your uploaded content. Take a moment to browse through and select the video you'd like to transform into a short. After you've chosen your video, you'll need to find the remix option. On the display under the video, you might have to swipe through the menu a little bit. What you're specifically looking for is something that says Edit into a Short. Once you see that, go ahead and tap it. With that done, you're now ready to trim your clip. Consider what portion of the video you think would best fit into a short format. Think exciting moments, informative snippets, or anything with visual appeal. Adjust the length of your clip according to your needs and preferences. You have the freedom to make it match exactly what you envision. When you're happy with your selection and it looks just right, you'll see a Done button up in the top right corner. Give it a tap to proceed. Before we move on to posting, remember that this is also your chance to make your short uniquely yours by adding personal touches. You can incorporate text to highlight key points or messages, apply filters if you want to enhance the visual presentation, or insert music for that extra layer of engagement and excitement. Feel free to spend a little time getting everything just the way you want it. These small adjustments can really elevate the quality and effectiveness of your short. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the edits, it's time to share your creation with the world. Simply tap on the post button and your YouTube short will be visible for all to see. And that's it. You've successfully transformed one of your existing videos into a YouTube short. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and definitely check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.